How to delete saved message on Snapchat. So if you have saved a certain message on Snapchat and now you want to delete it, then this video might help you. So make sure you watch this video till the end and to subscribe to our channel for more videos like this. Now let's get into the video. So right now I am at this section of Snapchat from where you will be able to take various Snapchat photos or videos. So at the lower button you can see the options like map, chats and many more. Just go for the chats for now. And here you will be able to see all of your conversation with your friends. Here you just have to open up to the chat section where you have saved some of the messages. Over here, if you have saved any message or the snap, it will be displayed over here. So in order to delete, just press and hold over there, and here will be the delete option. Just tap over the delete. It said that when you delete a message, we will attempt to remove it from our servers and your friend's device. This might not always work, like if someone has a bad internet connection or an old version of Snapchat. They will completely remove this from their servers, but in case the person's internet connection is bad, or if they are using the old version of Snapchat, then it won't be removed. So you just have to tap over OK and it will be deleted easily. So this is how easily you can delete saved messages on Snapchat. So I hope this video was helpful. If you want us to make any tutorial videos on any topics, then you can mention down below in the comment section. Thanks for watching.